How's it going, everybody? This is Rusty here at FCP Euro, and today we're going to be doing a wiper blade installation on our B9 Audi S5. Some things to look for. Obviously, you may have some noise when the wipers are in use. You may be suffering from lack of the water being cleared when it's raining, and generally, a good rule of thumb is every 1 to 2 years. Personally, I like to do my wiper blades every spring. So this is a super simple DIY. No tools really needed. A small screwdriver may be suggested. The clips on the wiper blades can be a little bit difficult to remove. So other than your hands, you may want to have a little small screwdriver to accompany you in doing this job. So now that we know what we're working with, let's go ahead and install these wiper blades. So in doing your wiper blades, it's not the standard installation where you just go ahead and get up to the front of the car and put your wiper blades on. This particular model, the wiper blades are tucked slightly under the hood, so when you go to pull them up, they may scratch the hood. So we're going to show you how to put the wipers into an installation position to make it easier to access the blades, as well as prevent any scratches on the hood. So ignition on, get into your main menu. You're going to go to service checks. And then in service checks, there's a wiper change position. Once you select that, the wipers will come up into the driver's side viewing area. And then you just key off and you can replace the wiper blades from the driver's side with ease. First things first, let's figure out which blade is associated with which side. The longer one will be on the driver's side, but just for ease of installation, I always like to compare before I take anything off and cause any damage. So we'll start with the driver's side here, being it's the longer blade. Depressing the clip on the wiper blade, and sometimes if you have difficulty getting it off, you may want to push the wiper blade towards the bottom of the wiper arm to get that clip to disengage a little bit easier. And then just slide the new one in the channel, making sure the clip engages, give it a couple of tugs, and then place that back down. And we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side blade. Again, we have the same length here. Depressing the clip, making sure it's securely installed. And now we're done with the wiper blades, aside from putting the wiper blades back into the normal position. So once you've installed the wipers, it's pretty much the reverse of the wiper position. Get back into the main menu with the key back on and go into vehicle, back to your service and checks, and then deselect the checkbox for the wiper change position. That'll drop your wipers back down and you're ready to go. Once you know your wipers are installed, they're fully engaged, and they've dropped back down into the wiper cowl, you're all set. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comments section below. And if you want to see any further DIYs on this vehicle or any others like it, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.